Hi and welcome to this Yano video recipe. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you're subscribed to not miss out. Today we're going to be cooking a batch of Moroccan pancakes called Beghrir. Before we start, take a look at the link in the description below. You can order the pre-measured ingredients to cook this recipe at home. Mix the water, yeast and sugar in a bowl and let it sit for 5 minutes. This will let the yeast soften and start to foam. Add the flour, semolina, baking powder, salt, milk and egg. Use a blender to mix everything together until it's smooth. Cover the mixture and leave it to rest for 30 minutes. Before you start cooking the pancakes, microwave the honey and butter on a high heat for 1 or 2 minutes. When the butter is melted and the honey is warm, mix the two together to make your pancake sauce. Now put a frying pan on a medium-low heat. Before we start, give the mix a quick 10-second blend to fluff it up again. Pour a 60ml scoop of batter into the hot pan and let it cook. You don't flip these, so wait until bubbles have formed and the top of the pancake is no longer shiny. Gently scoop the pancake out of the pan and repeat. After every other pancake, give the batter another blend to keep it light and fluffy. Serve them hot with a generous drizzle of the honey butter sauce. Who knows, these might replace regular pancakes as your new favourite. They're certainly tasty enough. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like this video. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you subscribe to not miss out.